Greetings everyone. So today I'm going to make a routine to spice up your morning wake up. So instead of having that regular beep, 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 ding, 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 or whatever you wake up with, we're going to add a little flavor to it by setting up this routine to make your morning wake up a little bit more flavorful. Okay, so let's head over to the app and get this routine started. So of course, you should know by now how to create a routine, but if you didn't know how to create a routine, you want to go down to the More button. It's in the bottom right corner. You want to click on Routine, and then we're going to add a routine. This routine, we're going to say, Wake Up in Style. Of course, you can name yours any name that you would like it to be. So we're going to say, when this happened, and we're going to go to Alarms. So when we dismiss the alarm, that's what we want to do. There's nothing else to set here, so you just want to click Next. Okay, so after you choose when the alarm is dismissed, now here's where the magic happens. So you want to go into where it says Anytime. Now you can choose every day, you can choose a specific day, you can choose a time between, so make it active between a certain time frame, but I'm going to leave mine to anytime. So I'm going to go back and then I'm going to add an action. Now, this is where you can get creative with your actions. So you can have briefing, you can make something do from your calendar, you can have the TV turn on, you can have a specific music played. I mean, there's so much things you can get. You can get the weather report, you can get the news, you can disarm the alarm, you can start your coffee pot. I mean, anything that you can think of that's connected to your smart home. So this is where your creativity goes into play. So let's say I want the weather. I want to add that to the list. I want the weather report. Next. I can add another action. I can say I want you to turn on the TV. So let me go down to my smart devices. There it is, smart home. And then I want to do all devices. And then when I find the bedroom TV, there it is, on, next. And then maybe I want to say start the hot water. So I want to say add another action. I can go down to smart home again and then all devices. And where is my hot water? There it is, hot water. I can say power on. I'm not going to worry about set the temperature because the temperature is already set automatically. I hope you're getting the idea of what I'm talking about here. So you can add as much action to your routine as you want to get a more flavorful wake up morning. If you wanted to play music instead of turn on the TV, it's just so many things you can do. Now, as always, you can put these things in a specific order. So if I want the weather report first, I can move it up to the top by just grabbing it and move it up. And if I want the hot water to start next, I can leave it there, but I might want the TV to come on first or second. It doesn't matter. You just slide it in that specific spot. Then I want to choose a device. So now from what device? I want to choose the bedroom show because that's the one that's going to trigger the alarm. And then when I say something, she's going to perform all these different routines, or should I say actions. Then when it's all done, you click save. And now when you say dismiss alarm or you say stop, because in the morning when my alarm goes off, I say her name and stop, and then she start running these set of routines. Now, I already have my routine set up for my morning wake up, but I just wanted to do one so you can see what it's like if you just add more flavor to your wake up call. That's what I'm going to call it, a wake up call. So go ahead and build this routine to your liking. Add whatever flavor you want to add to it. Like I say, you can add as much actions that you want to. Just make sure they're not clashing with each other. For instance, you got the TV going and music playing at the same time. That's not going to be too proper. But if you have a coffee pot that's connected to a smart switch and you want the coffee pot to start, you can add that all into your routine. You can set the lights to come on at a certain thing. If you have smart blinds, you can have the blinds open, whatever. You, like I say, you just be creative with your morning wake up instead of having the regular beep, 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 ding, 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 or whatever you have your alarm set at. Or you can even call somebody as a wake up call if you have the AT&T account set up within your account on the Amazon app. Okay, so I hope I'm opening up your eyes to the possibility of having a wake up in style kind of routine instead of having just the regular morning boring wake up. So go ahead and try it. And if you want to post the routines that you got set up for your morning wake up, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.